Hi, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a necklace using crimpable chain. So it's this kind of style. The crimpable chain is very fine, so you can fit most beads onto it, and it's really easy to attach a clasp as well, which I'll show you how to do. So the first thing to do is to cut a length of chain that you want. I'm going to make this necklace 16 inches. You can just cut it with some normal cutters, it'll be fine. And then we sell in these little sets of very small fold over cord ends, which you can use to attach to the end of your chain. And the best way to do this is to just lay the chain into the small fold over. And if you can, just pinch the very end of the chain with your nail. You then need to use your chain nose pliers to bend over one side of the fold over cord end. And then turn it around and bend over the other side and just squish that down. You can just use your tools to straighten it all up, neaten it all out. So you've got one end on now, and you can start adding your beads. So you don't have to, but you can add a crimp at the start of your beads here, which means that it kind of positions the section of beads that you're putting on so they don't move around. So I'm going to start by putting a crimp on, and then I'm going to start threading my beads on. So just thread on a little section of beads, maybe about 4 inches in length, and then I'll just show you how to finish off the other end. Okay, so when you threaded your little section of beads on and another crimp there, you're ready to just attach the other end of the clasp. So like we did before, taking the small fold over cord end, holding the chain in place with your fingernail if you can, and just bend over one side using your chain nose pliers, turning it around and using your chain nose pliers to squish down the other side. That's nice and secure. So that's it basically. One thing to point out, you can kind of like position beads along the chain with crimps either side. So you can sort of have a space necklace. That would be another style. And so you've got your crimps now in place. So if you wanted to, when you've got it central, you could just go in with your chain nose and just crimp those crimps so that it positions the beads and they don't move around. But yeah, a really easy way to make a necklace there with the chain.